If your mornings are chaotic and stressful, this simple tip can help change everything. Imagine starting your day without the hassle of trying to decide what to wear. No more staring at your closet, scrambling for matching socks, trying to figure out, what am I doing today? How do I want to look? How do I want to present myself? No more realizing that your favorite shirt or the shirt you had planned to wear is in a ball at the back of your closet or in the laundry hamper. Today I'll show you how planning your outfits for the week can save time, reduce stress, and make life so much easier. My name's Larissa and I have a brain injury, and this tip helps with my broken brain. But did you know that even geniuses like Steve Jobs and Albert Einstein simplified their wardrobes because they felt that picking clothes led to decision fatigue? They wore the same outfits on repeat so they could focus their brain power on more important things. While we don't need to wear the exact same thing every day, unless you want to, which is totally fine, I'll show you how a little planning can go a long way. So let's dive in. Planning your outfits ahead of time has so many benefits. It cuts down on decision making in the morning, which is especially helpful if you are not a morning person. It also ensures that you are prepared for whatever the week throws at you, whether it's doctor's appointments or work meetings or just staying at home being relaxed. For me, it feels really good to know that I've got one less thing to think about, especially if life throws me a curveball. If I get a phone call first thing in the morning and am rushed to get out the door for a doctor's appointment, or if I wake up with a migraine and can't really think clearly, or if I've had a crappy night's sleep, I'm not going to have to try to pull my brain together and figure out what to wear. Now, if you're someone who likes to keep things super simple, you are in good company because Steve Jobs wore black turtlenecks and jeans. That was his uniform. And apparently Albert Einstein had several versions of the same suit so that he didn't have to decide what to wear every day. It was the same suit. That is how you combat decision fatigue. Simplifying your wardrobe, or at least pre-planning it, can free up your mental energy for more important things. We're going to go into my closet and I will talk you through how I pick outfits for next week. But first, I'm going to go over the general idea. First thing, I start by looking at my calendar and getting an idea of what I've got going on. So the activities for each day are going to dictate how I dress. I couldn't wear this to neurological rehab. They need to have access to my neck and shoulders. And then the weather is going to have an impact. So if I know that Tuesday is going to be really cold, I'm going to plan a number of layers so that I stay warm and it's easier to get down to my t-shirt when I get there. I have a separate clothing rack where I hang my week's worth of clothes. If you don't have a rack like that, totally fine. You can designate a section of your closet, preferably up near the front. If space is tight, you can fold it up and use a suitcase. Each outfit gets its own hanger, and I'll include any accessories, scarves, jewelry, even socks. Having everything in one place is a game changer. At least it was for me. And remember that life happens. So it's okay to adjust if your plans change or if the weather changes. Because a week out, it might not rain on the day that they thought, the weather might get pushed further. So be open to adapting. So let's take a look in my closet. Welcome to my closet. This is the majority of my clothing. That side, I have 6 sweaters on shelves, and then my kind of nicer stuff, a couple of dresses, a couple of suits, but we're gonna focus over here. So on Monday, I know that I'm going to be staying here and I'm going to be filming a couple of episodes of the Concussion Crew. one episode is about seasonal affective disorder. So I want a warm and cozy vibe. And yeah, I'm going to say one and done. This is going to work for me. And then the other one is a cleaning video. There we go. So that's going to be on Monday. On Tuesday, I'm going to neurological rehab. So this shirt actually has snaps so that they can open up the back of the shirt and have better access to my neck. I will choose this one for Tuesday. I will wear the jeans that I'm wearing right now so that I remember. I'm going to take the hanger that these jeans are typically hung on, and I'm going to put it right here so that I remember to put these jeans with this top. On Tuesday, it is going to be holy cannoli cold. So what I'm going to do is, along with the t-shirt and the jeans, I'm going to plan on wearing a sweater, but I'm going to do a cardigan so that it's easy to take off when I'm at the doctor's office. Wednesday, I am again staying home, but I have a virtual doctor's appointment. So I want to look, somewhat pulled together. I live in a condo and it's fairly warm in here all the time. So I am going to go for this, and I'm going to put it with a t-shirt, and I'm going to do what everybody does, and I'm putting on a pair of track pants because she's not going to see, right? This part looks professional and this part looks like comfortable. I am picking my Muskoka Bearwear pants because I have long legs, and these ones actually fit my long legs. So that's going there. Thursday, I've got neurological rehab, but it is going to be less hands-on. It's going to be more doing activities and working my brain. So different things with the computer and working on my balance. So that day, I don't need for them to have access to my neck the same way I will on Tuesday. And I know that the weather report says that by then the cold snap is going to be tapering off. So I think I will wear a sweater. Ooh, and it's got these kind of puffy sleeves. Love it. Okay, this is going to be Thursday. And I think I'll wear a pair of slacks instead of denim with this. Yeah, I'll do my dark gray pants with that. These are comfortable, but they look nice. Thursday, Friday, running errands. I am going to want to wear boots. I'm going to get these jeans because I know that they fit nicely over my boots. And I'm going to do a couple of layers. I'm going to pick an outfit for Saturday. I might end up just staying home and then I will put on a tracksuit and be chill around the house. But just in case I have some errands that I need to run, I want to choose it now while my head's in this space, while I'm thinking about clothes. I'm going to choose an outfit for Saturday. It might not get worn, and that's fine. Okay. Ooh, static. So I like that top. That is excellent. And then I will rewear the denim that allows me to wear boots. I'm going to grab another one of those hangers as a placeholder. And then Sunday for church, I'm going to wear these pants because I like them and they're warm. And I'm going to pair them with a sweater, do like a monochromatic thing. And then when I get home, I will jump into just a pair of track pants, comfy, cozy. So this is my clothing rack. You can see that that side has clothes that are drying. So the other shirt that I need for Thursday is currently over there drying. And I'm going to move all my outfits over and just double check them against the weather report. So Monday, I'm staying home and recording stuff. It doesn't matter that they are not the warmest. Tuesday, neurological rehab. So I've got this. This sweater is going to keep me warm. And I've got my hanger for the denim that I'm wearing right now because I will rewear it. On Wednesday, I've got a doctor's appointment, but it's a virtual one. So I have an outfit that will make me look like I tried on camera, but also comfy pants. Thursday, neurological rehab, but it's a working day. So I've got pants with a little bit of stretch to them. They're comfortable. I've got a cozy sweater. I will be ready to work. Friday, when I'm running my errands, I will definitely be warm enough with the sweater. I've got jeans that are going to work with my boots. This is going to be warm enough if we walk in the gym. If we end up going outside, I might need to switch up this one. I will keep that in mind, that I can wear my outdoor gear instead of that. I've got a top and a placeholder hanger for Saturday, just in case I don't get all my errands done on Friday. And then I've got my church outfit. After I recorded the video about how I pick a week's worth of clothing at a time, I saw a really cool hack on TikTok and I wanted to share it. So yes, I look different because this is being recorded about a month after the last video, but this is too good not to share. This content creator used these little ringy things and put them like that over top of her hanger. So what I have done is I put one of these little clips over the hanger, and then I use just a little loop bag. I got these from the dollar store, and I pop my socks and my underwear in here. Clip that on, and then I have a ton of these little bags kicking around, so I put my jewelry choices, if I'm wearing jewelry that day, into this bag, and I put that on here too. And this has been a great switch up for me. This works so well. I don't have to go into my sock drawer in the morning. Do I have a pair of socks? Which socks do I feel like today? I don't have to think, okay, am I wearing a pair of pants that needs me to do no-show underpants? I have that decision already made. All of my undergarments are pre-chosen, and then same thing with my jewelry. If I know that I'm going to the doctor, I might wear a pair of the little huggies or the flat back earrings that I can wear when I lie down, so that if I get home at the end of the day and I'm too tired to take off jewelry, I've still got a little something fancy on that's not going to impede me sleeping. I like it. It's making me so happy, guys. I got these at Walmart because I was too impatient. Amazon has next day delivery, but as soon as I saw it, I wanted to implement it immediately. I know, patience is not my forte. This set is from Walmart. I'm gonna link to something almost identical from Amazon. And as always, I might get a small commission if you use the Amazon link. It doesn't cost you anything, and I do appreciate your support. I hope that was helpful. And you know, outfit planning isn't the only way to streamline your life, to free up brain space for other decisions and tasks. You could use this same principle in other areas too, like cleaning routines. If you have the energy, if you have the mobility, creating a weekly plan for tidying up so it's manageable is a great way to save brain power. Having some weekly food menus can be helpful. Planning meals ahead of time helps you to use up leftovers, and it can reduce decision fatigue. If you know that you are still nauseated and you might need barf bags and a small travel container of mouthwash, having pre-packed bags for heading out can be helpful. If there is something else in your routine that is driving you nuts, share it in the comments and let's see if we can figure out a way to help each other make the frustrating, stressful things a little bit easier. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you for sharing your time here and your thoughts in the comments. I appreciate it, and I hope that you know that you are not alone in taking steps to making life a little bit easier.